my name is Rebecca Long. I'm a leader for this community. So I say thank you for welcoming and joining us today. For everybody coming here, and say thank you for Nancy. You know, I don't know anybody.
Well, that's why it's important to meet people and reach out and to get your message out. So whether the kids are here or whether they're still over in Africa, and letting everyone, as much as you said, get the word out, because that's, you know, the words make power, and you can bring more people together and understand all the needs. And I appreciate the opportunity and, you know, how really just publicizing it. I know that there's a woman at my church who's collecting things, and I don't know if it's for Sudan, it might be. She's going back home to take things. And there's just so much need that it's great that you're taking it upon to help people in the countries where you came from, and you know their obstacles, you know what they have to go through, and to be able to help support them. And because everybody still has struggles here too, getting accustomed to everything and just making things, and people get busy, so it's great that you're taking the time. And the leadership, which is, as Nancy said, empowering women to do things. We're sometimes known to get things done, and we can do it in our quiet way or whatever way, but sometimes women are a force to be reckoned with, and so I appreciate you taking the lead and trying to help the kids, because you see pictures and you go, how can this happen in this world? And so to make it better for everyone. So again, thank you for taking that leadership role.
We'll set up another meeting and we'll call you guys. We
Right.
have some guests that I will bring together. Then we can just talk about whatever issues you're having, then you can tell them. DHS, one of them, you know DHS is our problem. We're gonna talk about those things, because sometimes they take our kids and they're not supposed to take our kids sometimes. Sometimes, yes, we have to learn what's
I mean,
happening.
another thing here for James, you know.
Yeah,
That's
that's
the
it.
connect
James, again.
Yes.
together, you know.
So that's what issues people are facing currently every day. So to make it easier for you then to go out and do this for other people, if your lives are going smoothly. So,
Thank you
whatever.
so much.
You're welcome.